Air. It's all around us, invisible and seemingly weightless. But did you know that air actually has mass and weight? In fact, a cubic meter of air weighs about 1.29 kilograms. That's equivalent to the weight of a small book or a large apple. Air density is the key to understanding its weight. At sea level and at a temperature of 20 degrees Celsius, air has a density of approximately 1.29 grams per liter. This means that in every liter of space around us, there's about 1.29 grams of air. To put this into perspective, let's consider some common volumes. A standard soda can, which holds about 355 milliliters, contains roughly 0.46 grams of air. That's about the weight of a small paperclip. A typical bedroom, with a volume of about 40 cubic meters, contains around 51.6 kilograms of air. That's equivalent to the weight of an average adult. It's important to note that air density isn't constant. It can vary based on several factors. Temperature plays a significant role. As air warms up, it expands and becomes less dense. Conversely, cold air is denser and therefore heavier. Altitude also affects air density. At higher elevations, the air becomes thinner and less dense. Humidity is another factor that influences air density. Surprisingly, humid air is actually less dense than dry air. This is because water vapor, which makes up humidity, is lighter than the nitrogen and oxygen that primarily compose dry air. Understanding the weight of air is crucial in many fields. In meteorology, it helps predict weather patterns and air movements. In aviation, pilots must consider air density for safe takeoffs and landings. Even in everyday life, the weight of air affects things like the efficiency of air conditioning systems and the performance of pneumatic tools. Air may be invisible, but its weight and density play a vital role in our world. From the weather we experience to the way our vehicles and machines operate, the properties of air are constantly at work around us. So the next time you take a breath, remember, you're not just inhaling empty space, but a substance with real, measurable weight.